Hi there, how you all doing? Hope you're fine. Right, now in the next video, what we're gonna do is, ta-da! I'm gonna tell you this is very important bit. I think the thing that I missed last time was, yeah, difference between public and private. Ta-da! So when I say public and private, it means obviously public and private IP addresses. Now, as the name suggests, public IP addresses can be used or are used on the internet. Thank you. So it's a really short video, just to let you know. It's a basic logic video. It's very beneficial to know that the difference between public and private IP address, and similarly private IP address. So any ideas what that might be? Yes, private IP addresses are used to assign to computers inside your own network, or if or you can say in your intranet, so your own private network. So your own private network, which I would say intranet. So internet is the one with which can be used outside your network, and that's inside your network IP addresses. So private network addresses, and I might say this is called intranet. Now, supposedly, somewhere, somehow, if someone asks you the range for them, that would be an interesting one. But as a student and as an engineer, you should know the different ranges as well. So let's go with private IP ranges. So for class A, they are going to be, that's a class A, starting with 10. So that will carry on till 10.255.255.255. So remember, this is for class A. And then when I do class B, so class B IP address is going to be 172.16.0.0. Remember, class B will start from 172. So 172.31.255. They might not look very, useful, but once you are doing your exams or as an engineer when you go, so you should know your ranges. And class A and class B is mostly used. But in some places they might use class C as well. So just for the need, I'll just mention class C private range as well. So that's gonna be 190.168.0.0, and it will carry on till 190.168.255.255. Right, this is not it's a logical topic. It's not that, it's very vital, but this is basic common logic regarding IP addresses. So it's a good idea that you know the difference between public IP addresses and private IP addresses. So when I say public and private, it is usually public and private IP addresses, it relates to IPv4 addresses. Um, as far as the other one is concerned, IPv6, we'll be discussing that later when we stop doing our practice, and we'll carry on, make ourselves perfect in IPv4, and then we'll do some exercises as well. So just to let you know that this is a basic logic. Obviously, a lot of people might know it, and so rest. What I would say is really easy. So any ranges apart from these, class A, B, class C, any ranges apart from these are going to be what? Yes. So any ranges apart from these are going to be public IP addresses range. So yeah, so in any case, what other thing I would want to sort of discuss with you, everyone. Hey, hello, you there? Yes, you there? Just a little bit more to go, right? Um, yeah. So other thing is, apart from class A, B, and C, there are other classes as well. Oh yes. So which we are not going to be mentioning at the moment, but obviously there are other classes as well. So I do try to cut my videos a bit short, but they always go long. So I'll come back and stay tuned to my videos and carry on revising them, repeating them. The video before this is really important. Powers of 2 are really vital to IPv4 before you put yourself into a lot of questions, which we'll be doing, and a lot of problems which we are still doing regarding to IPv4. So as a network engineer, make yourself perfect in IPv4, and then as a network designer, when you are designing topologies and you are going to go or troubleshoot networks, you should know what is actually happening there rather than being there and have a less clue about it. And professional subnet calculators might calculate your masks and bits and pieces, but you will not know actually what is happening. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.